Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to add hole. As example, I will create a box object, and if you want to add hole, you can use these tools, cylinder, and then you can resize, like I will click at this corner point on the vertex, press shift buttons to resize, and click these icons to extrude to the top here. Now you can move the cylinder objects like into this point. And to create holes, you can select all objects and then use these group tools to create the hole. You also can create holes by using another object. Like here I will create with sketch. You can click this icon sketch and I will select at this face. You can draw sketch. I will use the line tool. I will click into this point. And click finish sketch. Now you can resize again, like I will set for length into 50. You can move the objects. And don't forget to change into hole option. Select all objects and then you can make a group to create hole. Okay, that's it for a basic TinkerCAD tutorial, how to add hole. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.